This is how I've been making carpenter bee traps. They have helped me quite a bit. I start with a decent size ash, actually it's an ash tree or ash limb that's dead, very good wood to drill into, and it's all natural. I cut them into about 5-inch lengths. And after I cut them into about 5-inch lengths, on my cross saw, then I go ahead and I put the cap in first. And you can see here, it makes almost a perfect circle, and it doesn't leave it all jagged and less chance of somebody getting cut and hurt. And I drill a hole in here anywhere from 3/4 to 1 inch. I have found while using, I drill the cap out first, just lightly crank it down, and you'll see it start to spin, and you just pull the plug out, and you got to start to be able to drill your hole. But I know there is a tendency sometimes for these to slip out of your hand. I clamped this on to help hold it. I even had one the other day fly out, came loose, broke the bit, and went flying about 15 feet across the garage. So it can be very dangerous. The hole is about approximately 4 inches deep. And then I drill 4 holes. I drill 4 holes that are about, they're half inch. I just start about 1 inch above or more. You want to go in at about straight down and go in at about a 45-degree angle. The other thing you want to watch is that you don't get your hand or wrist twisted, because this can lock up on you and bite pretty hard. And it's that simple. Then I make 4 holes, go to the opposite side. Like I said, you want to start in straight and then go in at about a 45-degree angle, about 1 inch or so from the bottom. These do help. I've caught about 50 in the last couple weeks. The first ones I made out of 4x4s, but this here is all natural, and you don't have to buy them. There are already trees that went down. The holes are half-inch holes that go in at about a 45-degree angle. The center hole, 3/4 to 1 inch, 4 inches deep. Then I take a screwdriver and clean out the stuff on the inside. And put your bit on there, and then I put a little eyelet in here, and then I hang it. And I sold about 10 to a person that was having trouble on a farm. eating up his barns in his house, and he told me within 2 weeks he had to dump some of his jars. He had caught so many. And one thing that helps a lot, after you hang it, you want to get a bee, knock it down, and put it inside the jar. It lets off some type of fragrance or odor or whatever that brings other ones in, and they follow it and they go into these holes down in there and they don't get back out. But this is a lot easier to make.